the Bible's key to a happy life, found right in the 3rd chapter of Proverbs. This ancient wisdom isn't just nice advice. It's a practical roadmap for living a life filled with peace, purpose, and blessing. 1. What we learn from this chapter. Trust God completely and let Him guide your path. Be humble and respect God in all your ways. Keep God's commands in your heart for long life and peace. Be kind and faithful, showing love and honesty to all. Value wisdom more than gold or riches. It brings happiness and peace. Honor God with your money, and He will bless your needs. Accept God's correction, knowing it comes from His love. Help others whenever you can. Don't withhold good. Avoid envy, pride, and fights, and live peacefully with others. God blesses and protects the righteous and humble. 2. Example. Lion face. Daniel trusts God. From the book of Daniel. Daniel loved and obeyed God. Daniel 1:8, he was taken to Babylon, but still followed God's rules. Daniel 1 verses 3-4, 1:8. 9. Daniel prayed to God every day. Daniel 6:10, some men were jealous and tricked the king. Daniel 6:4. 8. The king made a rule that no one could pray to God. Daniel 6:7. 9. Daniel still prayed because he trusted God. Daniel 6:10, he was thrown into a den of lions. Daniel 6:16, God sent an angel to protect him. Daniel 6:22, the lions did not hurt Daniel. Daniel 6:23, the king saw God's power and praised Him. Daniel 6 verses 25-27. 3. Questions to yourself. What does it mean to trust God with all your heart? When is it hard for you to trust God? What can you do then? How can you show kindness and honesty to others today? Why is wisdom better than money or things? How can you honor God with what you have, like your time, talents, or money? When God corrects you, like when you make a mistake, how can you remember it's because He loves you? What are some ways you can help others when they need something? How can you avoid fighting or being jealous of others? What does it mean that God blesses and protects good people? Which verse from Proverbs? 3. Do you want to remember and live by this week? 4. Practical things to do. Pray every morning and tell God, I trust you today. Read one Bible verse daily and think about how to follow it. To be honest and kind. Tell the truth, share your things, and speak gently. Help someone, maybe your parents, friends, or an elderly person nearby. Thank God for what you have before eating or sleeping. Give your best to God, like helping in Sunday school, singing, or giving some pocket money to church. Learn from mistakes. When corrected, say thank you, and try to do better next time. Use wisdom in choices. Think, would this make God happy before doing something? Stay humble. Don't brag when you do something good. Give credit to God. Memorize Proverbs 3 verses 5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and He will make your paths straight. 5. Thank you. The key to a happy life is a life built on trust, humility, and kindness. It's about valuing wisdom and submitting our plans to God.